Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice. Welcome if you are new, and if you are returning, thank you so much for your support. Today I am going to color my hair and I'll take you guys with me. I will go through step by step. You'll see some kind of craziness going on just because I haven't colored my own hair since 2013 or so. That was a while ago. That was when I had really dark hair and I didn't have any highlights or anything. Since then I have gotten my hair done professionally, and I have started to have to be going every 6 weeks because of my gray roots growing in. I did go ahead and order from eSALON. So you get everything here that you need in the package. You get the developer, the color, they send you 2 pairs of gloves, and there are directions in here. It also comes with a brush too to brush everything on. My first full color base kit I think was $15, and I don't have a link, I don't think. If I do, I'll put it below, but I did get it off one of the influencers who I do follow, and I'm happy to share that with you guys if you choose to use eSALON. I would love for you to join me in the process if this sounds interesting to you, so let's get started. This is my first time doing this in a really long time. I got the color light brown and for my roots only. Cute. It comes with it says sticker up your instructions. Let me hold that. And it comes with instructions. It says, it all starts here. Your full instructions on the back of this page will show you the ropes step by step, but here's a quick roundup of main tips to follow. I should say I did watch probably 5 videos already on how you are supposed to color your hair with eSALON. It says to focus on my roots, keep away from overlapping onto previously colored hair to avoid darker than desired result. Don't color lightened pieces. So I'm just going to stay right at my roots. Preserve highlights and highlighted ends by only coloring your roots, and then show your strands some love, wash and condition afterwards to avoid over processing. And then it tells you what is actually in the package. I'm going to go ahead and pin this up right here so that I can still see myself right here doing my hair. So it says, before prep and section, first skim through the product safety usage, brush dry hair and protect clothes with a cape or old towel. I'm wearing my painting shirt. Divide hair into 4 sections and secure with plastic clips. So I will do that right now. The instructions show a picture like this. I actually kind of part my hair just a little bit over my left eyebrow because I have a colic right here. So I'm just going to kind of go back like that. And I think when I watched the video, it said to part it down where I would naturally part my hair. And then it looks like you part it down here. I don't know, you guys. Wish me luck with this. We'll see what happens. And I never do this, so I have no idea what I'm doing. You probably don't want to use my video as a tutorial, and more probably of a bloopers type of thing. I should mention it is 11 o'clock, so I started this around then. We'll see how long this takes. The back part is much larger. Okay, you guys, here are my 4 sections. So the 2 front, 2 back. So next, it says, apply stain guard to protect your skin from color stains on the edges of your hairline, avoiding hair. And that is in the extras box. Here is the stain guard. So I'm just putting a little bit on my finger, and then I guess I'm going to put it around my hairline, keeping it away from my hair. You don't want to get too close to your hairline with this, because I did see in the video that this protects your skin, but it also will protect your hair from not getting the color, and I don't want to leave any hair without color because that is not what I'm trying to do here. I'm going around my hairline carefully, trying not to touch any of the hair. Oh, it says to make sure you have a towel available too, I believe. Okay, so I just got an old towel. The next step, it says, is put on gloves and mix together color and developer. Here are the gloves. They actually give you 2 pair in here, so I guess in case you need another pair. So it says for bowl and brush application, mixed color and developer into a non-metallic bowl. So I'm just going to use the one that came with the highlighter kit. Hopefully that works. So I will mix the color. I will pour that into my highlighting container, and then I will add my developer. Take off the protective seal, being very careful to pour that in here. I'm mixing this now for about a minute. I just want to make sure it's mixed very well. Using your brush, apply color to roots and regrowth, then spread with fingers or brush. Keep away from overlapping onto previously colored hair. This is what it looks like. It's a little thick, so I am going to start. I'm already sweating, you guys. I'm nervous. Okay, so I'll take the front part down. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm going to get a thin slice of hair in the front. I'm going to take some and just put it right where there's gray. I'm kind of nervous, you guys. It says don't put on my blonde strands, and I do have a little baby blonde strand right here, so I think I did just put a little bit there, but that's okay. So I got it on there, and I'm just going to flip it and make sure I get the underside of my grays there. So I'll do it again. I'll take just a little bit. Do the top side, and then the underside. Again, being careful not to get that highlighted area in the front. Just gonna get in there, and then do the underside. So I'm just trying to get as close as I can to the roots only. Okay, so I just left like my blonde sticking out, so hopefully that works. Okay, and I'll wipe away the little bit that I already did get on my face. I'll do the back section, I think, on the same side. I'll let you guys know if that was a good choice or not. You know what? I should have done the back first, I think. I think next time I'll do the back first, because then I'll be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I just have my blonde clipped back. Doesn't it look like I got some color on there? All right, we'll see. We might have to do some damage control at some point. And I would recommend using, if you're doing a dark color, using black or dark colored towels, or towels you don't care about. I think the hardest part is leaving the blonde out of the dark. Two things. I forgot a very important step. So on the instructions it says, right here, it says step 2, prep before rinsing. So you are supposed to, I guess, rub your hands through your hair for a minute with gloves on. It says use damp fingertips to vigorously massage roots for 1 to 2 minutes at scalp and hairline. I didn't do that. When I got into the shower to rinse my hair, I was like, oh, I should have read the rest of the directions before I'm doing this. So don't forget to do that part. Also, when I was going through my hair, I noticed that right here at my colic, I could still see my grays. I don't think it was a product issue because the rest of my hair I think looks really good with the color. I did not see any grays popping out anywhere except for just right here at my colic. So I went ahead and hurried up and just kind of brushed on some color there. So I'm going to let that sit for another 30 minutes. It's already been 10 minutes. So in another 20 minutes, I'll rinse that out again and I'll show you what it looks like dry. Hey guys, so I'm done coloring my hair. So let's see if I can show you guys more like in here. I thought it turned out really good and shiny. And again, part of it is the person, you know, me putting it on. But yeah, I feel like the color turned out really well. And I feel like it blends nicely into my salon color that I normally get. I, so far, am happy with the eSALON. I will link their site below. I didn't put in any oil or anything like that on my ends, so I think the shampoo and the conditioner worked really well. Yeah, I think Everything looks really good. And I think it all blends really well. And that was my first time doing that in a really long time, you guys. So, okay, so my first order, it was $30 normally for my custom color set. But my first order, I got it for $15. And then the light set was $35, which I didn't even use that at all. And then I got the free color tint brush for a total of $44.38. And then if I go into my upcoming order, is going to be $24 just for my custom color kit. So that's still a ton of savings, you guys. And I did put on there that I would get it every 6 weeks. So my ship date is April 5th. And then I can skip an order also if I want to. I'm super happy with eSALON and the color that I received, and it was relatively easy to do. We had a little bit of hiccups a couple times here and there, but for my first time doing it, I thought it turned out really well, and I am going to go ahead and cancel my appointment with my professional stylist and save over $100. If you try it out, let me know how you like it. I really appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate you giving it a like and a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. That really helps me out. Either way, I really appreciate you. Have a great week, and I will see you next time. Thanks again, you guys. Bye.